This is the KitchenAid Professional Stand Mixer, which is ideal for commercial kitchens. It's a 6.9 liter, has 315 watts, and a high efficient 1.3 horsepower motor. It comes with 3 different attachments made from solid stainless steel. There's the flat beater, the kneading hook, and the 11 wire whisk. Then here it has the bowl guard, the stainless steel bowl, and a pouring chute. It has 10 different speed settings. There's a speed from number 1 to 10, depending on which one you need to use. A reset button, which is also the emergency stop button. The appliance is a bowl lift design, and you have the lever to lift and to drop the bowl on this side here. It has a special function called the planetary action. This makes sure that the dough is evenly mixed. On this part here, you can add extra appliances available in the market. For example, there's this pasta maker we have. It has the fettuccine cutter, the spaghetti cutter, and the pasta roller that you can easily attach to the appliance and use. To clean it is also easy, as the parts are dishwasher safe, apart from the 11 wire whisk, which you should hand wash. And for the appliance, you just wipe it with a damp cloth.